Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you why I love this LEVOIT Core 600 Smart Air Purifier. So reason number one is you can connect it to the LEVOIT VeSync app. And I really do like being able to connect it to the VeSync app because I have more access to more functions. I can put it on a schedule and it's got different auto modes. But if you don't connect it to the VeSync app, you still have plenty of features. We turn it on and off right here. I like that it has a display, tells me how dirty the air is. I've got it in auto mode. So as the particulate matter goes up in the air, the fine dust, it's going to ramp the fan speed up accordingly. And as the air gets clean, it's going to ramp the fan speed down. Or I can manually just do the fan speed. I've got 4 levels and I've even got a turbo level. I've got a night mode, which is when you put it in night mode, turns the display off and it goes into a really low fan speed. It's still drawing air in. This is a Hepa filter, so the air comes in at the bottom and is coming out at the top, and it has filtration. Let's come out of night mode. Filter, got a timer, screen lock. The filter is very easy to change. You're just going to rotate that about 1/8 of an inch, lift it up. Then here's the actual Hepa filter. There is a pre-screen on here that you will have to clean that pre-screen about every 2 or 3 weeks. But the actual Hepa filter, you can replace it every 6 to 12 months. There is some active charcoal in there to help with, it'll help with different odors, eliminating odor. I also like that it has a big Hepa filter because this can filter up to 3,175 square feet. So this is meant for a kind of a nice size home. It can do several rooms and it's going to move a lot of air. I also love that you can put this on a schedule. Now in the VeSync app, which I'm going to show you, it's very easy to connect. It's got Wi-Fi, there's a Wi-Fi light, but in there you can tell it to automatically go to night mode at a certain time every night, and then you could have it ramp the fan speed up during the day when you weren't at home, and then that's all controlled. So you're not up here adjusting all of this all the time. The app is controlling it for you. Here is the VeSync app. It's really nice. You can control it remotely. It tells you the air quality you're having. Here's the light detection you can turn on and off, and auto modes. You get access to a quiet auto mode, an eco auto mode, and an efficient, where you can set the square footage that you want it to clean. This is only available in the VeSync app. If you click on the pollen, it'll even tell you how much pollen is in your area right now. Now this Hepa filter is a little bit on the big side, 23.5 inches by about, and it is a square 12.25 inches, but I really do like it. I like it because we're going to put it on in our home next to our kitchen. So as we're cooking and different things, this thing will also ramp up when it senses the cooking odors and stuff. It'll ramp the fan speed up and clean the air. Also, we have a door that's open a lot because we let our dog in and out, and a lot of dust and pollen comes in that way. So I love having this in that room where there's going to be exposure to a lot of different bad air qualities. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.